Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Very good. I'm Jen.
I'm Christian.
Hi, Christian. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Have a
to meet you.
seat.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for coming in today.
So I'll start off and introduce myself.
Okay.
I work for ADS, Advanced Drainage Systems. And I realized that I looked on my files and we had your business about a year ago. I'm just wondering if we could get in touch on some as to why we lost your business and possibly come to a solution on that.
Yeah, definitely. I'm in the market for a supplier. I'm actually filling in for Tiffany, who I think actually used to work with you guys.
Correct, yes.
And she's out on maternity leave. So I've come over just to kind of help smooth the waters while she's out. So yeah, I'm happy to have a conversation with you about it.
Okay, and what is your official title in Hewitt?
I'm in purchasing and procurement.
Purchasing and procurement.
Yes.
And what are your responsibilities on a day-to-day basis?
So right now I'm working on handling some of our national account business for sewage and drainage solutions. So that's really my focus over the next 6 weeks, is securing suppliers and making sure that that's up to speed.
Right. How has business been going lately for Hewitt?
It's busy.
Busy?
Yeah.
A lot of projects taken on?
Yeah, a lot. We're a little bit overwhelmed. I'm filling in for Tiffany, and I'm honestly not sure. I'm still kind of figuring out what she was doing before I got here. So.
Right. And how long have you been with Hewitt?
I've been with the company for about 10 years.
10
I actually
years.
work from our Houston office. So I'm kind of up here. My family's from here, so I'm excited to be a little closer to home on this project.
I bet construction's real nice down in Houston. The weather's nice. A lot better than here in Omaha. You know?
Yes, exactly.
No snow down there.
No snow, that's for sure.
Right. So first I'm going to start out just with an overview of what we do at ADS.
Okay.
We deal with all things pipes, fittings, drainage systems, etc. We are the market leader. We're known for our green stripe on all of our products. We guarantee a 75-year satisfaction guarantee. So if anything goes wrong, it's on us for 75 years after the installation. So, and we have 8.5 billion feet currently in service across the whole world. So I believe that this is a superior product compared to everything that's on the market. And we're always being innovated, updating our products and whatnot. One thing that we're really switching towards is in being environmentally sustainable. So we deal a lot with recycled materials, which is becoming to be a big trend, especially with green buildings and whatnot. You guys do a lot of green buildings?
You know, we're starting to get into it. If it's recycled, is it pretty durable still?
Yeah, okay. We still have the same guarantee and everything, regardless of the product.
Okay, yeah, that's definitely interesting.
So here's some more information about the green building and whatnot, and the products that we serve through there. So, of course, I'm sure you know LEED, so Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. So the rating system, our products generate a very high, a lot of points for the point system that'll be awarded to the LEED rating system towards the green building. Is that something that you guys think would be beneficial? Yeah,
I've definitely heard a lot about the LEED certification and kind of getting into that. That's definitely something I'm interested in. Is this a new product for you guys?
It's something that we've had for a few years, but something that's definitely becoming more of a trend. So we're investing a lot of research and innovation into developing these new technologies because I believe that LED and green buildings are the future. And they'll become a lot more prominent in construction all across the world.
Yeah. Do you know why Tiffany stopped working with you?
I do not know.
You don't? Okay. I don't either. Okay.
If you don't mind me asking, what products are you guys currently dealing with as far as pipes and whatnot?
We definitely are dealing a lot with plastic piping, things that are anti-corrosion. Again, there's like the sewage, the traditional drainage, some pretty large projects that we're working on. That's our bread and butter.
Mostly polyethylene.
Yeah, polyethylene, polypropylene. Yeah.
All right. And do you know exactly why Hewitt went away from ADS about a year ago?
Gosh, I don't. I'm not really sure. I was hoping maybe you could tell me that. I definitely, let me grab that. I'm sorry, there might be.
No worries.
Everyone's been coming in my office today. Yes, I'm in the middle of a meeting here.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
I was hoping to talk to you about some national contracts.
Oh, yes. Okay. I'm in the middle.
I'm Christian
Ben Flanagan.
Nice to meet you.
Be a person here.
All right. I'm with ADS, Advanced Drainage Systems.
We're talking about some piping.
ADS and Advanced Drainage Systems?
Correct.
So are you aware of what's happened between our two companies?
I'm not aware, actually. I know that we lost your business about a year ago. I'm wondering to see if I can put the puzzles together.
Yeah. In fact, if I had known you were meeting, I probably would have told Jen not to meet with you guys.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Why is that?
So we had some under the table stuff that went on about a year ago between one of your sales guys and our purchasing agent.
Really?
I know our purchasing agent no longer works here, and I'm assuming that since you're here now, that yours no longer works here either. But what's unfortunate about it is that we had a great relationship, a really good relationship.
Right.
But when that all went down, it just tore the relationship apart. And again, if I had known Jen was meeting with you, I would have told her not to meet with you.
Well, I'm sorry to hear about that. Hopefully after the meeting we can find some middle ground here.
My advice to you is to stop the meeting immediately.
Yeah, thanks. I didn't realize
it.
that. We were just talking, we were figuring out why we didn't do business together. So, okay. Well, good info. Hey, I'll catch up with you later on that account.
Right.
Okay.
Yes, thank you very much.
You too.
Well, that answers a question then.
Yes.
I see.
Sorry to hear about that.
Yeah, that's not good.
So he said that the person that was dealing with the account no longer works for you guys.
Yes.
So I'm certain that
I knew there was some sort of shady business. I just didn't realize it was with you guys. So.
Right. I'm certain that whoever was behind it, that works for our company, no longer works for us.
Yeah.
So I'm sure that was something that was completely a fluke, and hopefully we can get past that.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Is 20 minutes still okay for the
Yeah.
meeting right here?
Yeah, we can still chat. Yeah,
Okay.
that's fine.
Hopefully we can still just talk about the products, get to know each other as a business. So like I said, I think that the green building and environmental sustainability is a big thing looking forward into the future. I have a handout right here of our applications of our products,
Okay.
the new innovation that we had. On your guys' website, I read that you guys are really focused on excellence, continuing to buy into innovation to be the best you can.
Yeah.
That's something that we also value at ADS. So that's why I believe that we could partner very closely to continue to stay ahead of the curve as far as products that go into construction, so that we can be ahead in innovation and you guys as well can be ahead in the construction innovation and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that green building and their applications are for sure that where the industry is going.
Now, are you guys a distributor or a manufacturer?
We are both.
Okay.
We have 30 manufacturing facilities and 60 distribution centers all across the world.
Okay.
So anywhere you need a product, I'll be right there. And I work actually out of Omaha right here.
Mm-hmm.
My territory is all the way from Scottsbluff to Des Moines.
Okay.
So I'll be a personal consultant. Any problems you ever need, I'll be right there to answer questions for you.
Yeah, right now our purchasing is really spread between several different people, and I don't think we're doing a very good job of consolidating our shipments and getting the best kind of pricing.
Right.
So I've actually been wanting to move away from distribution more into manufacturing because I think the pricing would just be so much better.
Right. So with all of our facilities we have and all the nations that we have outreach in, I think that we'd be available to provide you with a product that is 100% guaranteed going to be great for your operations and anywhere you go in the world.
Interesting.
Is this something that your company you think could benefit from looking forward in the future, moving towards this more green building rating system?
Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely interested in the product. I like the whole green aspect of it. Seems like a pretty durable 75 years, you said. I mean, that's a pretty substantial warranty. What kind of pricing is this comparable to what's on the market? I'm really looking to cut costs, and we want to really hype up the revenue from this national accounts program, but we're also really looking to cut back on some serious cost.
Right. So with the recycled projects, a lot of recycled materials, some companies will really mark up the price just to say that it is an LEED rated product.
Yeah.
But our pricing is very competitive with the outreach that we have. So no matter what you need, where you need it, we'll be right there with competitive prices.
Okay.
And we also do custom work. So if there's a solution or if there's a problem that's presented to you anywhere in the world, we can answer that with solving with different solutions and manufacture exactly what you need.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. I'm definitely looking for some guidance. I feel like the people I'm purchasing from right now aren't really giving me any sort of professional guidance on products to use or what applications, and we've been wasting a lot of material because of that, just using the wrong thing for the wrong application. So is that something that you can provide as well?
Of course. I guarantee that every single representative across every single corner of the world for ADS is very knowledgeable. We go through an extensive training program. So I can guarantee you that the knowledge that they possess, including myself here in Omaha, is top notch. So they'll be perfectly equipped to meet all your needs.
Okay.
And we're also going off the LEED products. We also are in other industries, such as other products that we have that go along with it. So we have different sorts of fabrics and whatnot that go along with pipeline and whatnot. I'm also very excited about the geocell technology that we came out with. This is very popular in commercial landscaping and parks and civil projects because it helps prevent soil erosion, which is becoming a big problem. So I think that these products down here, specifically made for landscaping, provide great sustainability for the environment, and they look great, and they're very affordable.
Interesting.
So
yeah.
we do dive into other industries as well, such as landscaping.
I think we're purchasing this from somebody and something similar to that from another. So we're a little bit spread out right now.
So this would be great to have it all under one account. So then you don't have to worry about checks and balances, where are we getting this from? So you can have one person that's knowledgeable at everything, consulting for you for the whole company.
I have to say though, that interruption really has kind of stuck on my mind. I mean, this sounds good. I'm open to this. You said it's really competitive pricing, and gosh, I mean, what do we do to make sure that that kind of activity just never happens again? Because it's just not something I want to get involved with at all.
Right. So I speak on myself personally and on behalf of the company. We value excellence, honesty, and all those integrity above all things. If there will be no fraudulent activity, I can guarantee you that.
Yeah.
With this account.
Okay. Yeah, that's just not the way we do business. So
That
makes me a little bit worried, but
we don't do business like that whatsoever.
Yeah.
Are there any questions I can answer for you about the product or anything else you'd like to know?
Where would this be coming from? If I were to place an order, how quickly do these things get delivered to us?
Right. So we have 20 manufacturing plants in the United States. So most of them, if you're doing construction in the United States, it will be very fast turnaround. Okay. Our main headquarters are out of Hilliard, Ohio, and I'm based out of Omaha. So, I mean, whenever you need it, we'll be able to get the turnaround very fast and very effectively. Okay,
that's really important to us, really quick. Right after we place the order, we want to see it. So.
Right. So is this something you guys think that we could possibly find some middle ground and work together as a company?
Yeah, I mean, I think so. I think this looks pretty interesting. I'm looking to consolidate a good bit of my purchasing. So it seems like you've got a lot of what we're purchasing all from one location. Really what we would want to do is have you speak to Mike, who's our CFO. Okay. And he's really the guy who could sign off on it. He's the ultimate sell. I basically give my recommendation. Okay. So I think that'd be a good idea.
What's his name?
His name is Mike.
Mike. I'd love to have a chance to meet with him. Do you think that's possible, that we could arrange another meeting?
Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Yeah, I think he leaves in a couple minutes here, but maybe we could do same time next week and just have you come back and chat with him and
that sounds good.
Probably talk through a lot of the same talking points and just make sure he's okay to sign off on it.
Okay, so next Tuesday after lunchtime, good? All right, perfect. I look forward to meeting with you again and meeting with Mike so we can move forward as two different companies in partnership.
Excellent.
All right.
Very good.
Perfect.
Thank you, sir.
Very much.
Very good to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good rest of your day.
You too.